Google Meet basic tutorial. Here we learn the essential features: how to use attendance, virtual board, online test, a lesson how to upload the doc or video file. So how to do the attendance? Before attendance we need to get one extensions from Google Chrome. So you will type Chrome Web Store for getting the extension file. So here, click over here, and this is the interface. Right here on the box, search box, Meet Attendance. So see this one, this is the icon. So click here, add to Chrome, but it is not there because I already did it. So after that it will go over there on the top. So where you will see that icon, here only, see the tick mark, and if you click there you will get the page where all the informations is recorded. There is participants, date, time. So coming back to the starting point, so after getting the extensions, so we need to fix the schedule or schedule. So click on this button and find out the Google Calendar. It is there, the blue color. Click on here and you will get this interface with all date and other information regarding calendar. So click on create. So you'll get this box. So set the title as unit. So see down there is save and more options. So after complete this one, I will click on the more options. So come back. So set the time. I'm setting the time. Now add the guest. So you can add more guests as per your student list, participants. So I'm for example I'm taking only one. It's done. At the same time you have to upload the file, doc file or PDF file. Click here and you will get another box, and then click on the upload and then click on here to get the file from our computer. Show the destination, select the file. Yeah, it is here. Now don't forget to click on the upload. So uploading. Now check again because everything is done. So now time to save the schedule and to send the invitation. So I'm going back to the same page. So checking all again, the time, date, or the guest list, everything. Right side the guest list, left side the time notifications, and then attached file all are here. So one thing left, I'm going to fix the notification, the minutes. It will be, for me it is 15 minutes. I'm selecting 15 minutes. And one more notification, 10 minutes. That means twice. The participant will get the notification twice before the meeting. So here in this box you send, click on send. Now turn on the sharing on and then invite. Okay, it's done. Now time to set the test, online test, class test. So come here on the Google Chrome, click on their drive, create new, then go down more, see the Google Forms, click over here, blank form. This is the page. So you need to set the title. So for example, I am writing class test. So next, so write something about the students' information. So right side there you see that there is written short answer. There are so many short answer, multiple choice, so you may select the short answer here. Click here, get another one, write the questions. How many colors are there in primary color? How many colors are there in primary color? So I did one mistake, spelling mistake, so I'm not going to change it to save the time. So please be careful for spelling mistake. So here is nothing. Come back, click here, general, click here and turn on this. See all, again check, nothing here, check, now save it. Save and come back. So see the changes here, new option, and we can set the time, mark and correct answers. Another page. Now I will show you how to insert the images. So first write the question, find out secondary color, click over here and then there and then come to here. This is actually Google search browser, okay? So it's came, insert, second one, click here, click on the icon, Google search, write whatever you need, click, insert, it will come here, the third one. On this way you can insert more as you need, but I have taken only 3. Okay, and now I'm going to set the mark and showing the correct one. So it's done. Now we have to click on send. So here, click here, this is actually link. I will copy this one and will paste on MS Word document. I paste it over here. I'll save it for further. So another way to create forms, so we can create form in that way. So come to the web Chrome browser, type here Google form, press enter, we'll see this, click over here, see this one, go for Google form, not business, personal. So take the blank one, press here and you will get the form same as that one, previous one. So I think you understand what to do. So that link, and after completed that link, I will insert in the chat box. It is showing there in the blue color. You see right side, if you student click over there, the page will be displayed. Now we will go for how to play video. Please see this one. First of all, we need to go our personal folder, and there we'll select the name of the file and paste it here and copy it all together, and we'll go back to the MS Word and we will paste it here. Don't forget to save. Next, copy, test, press enter. Now it's ready. So now student will not see, just keep it ready. Okay, pause it and keep it ready. Come to your online window and click Chrome. See here, it is there. Click over here and click on share. Now student will see. Now I'm sharing the video until if not click on stop sharing. If you click on the stop sharing, that will be stopped. So I'm coming back. How to share the file? Click here, go to the middle one window. You see that that file must be open before the online. This must be open. And then if you click on the share, it will display it. You can discuss with the student for the lesson. So coming back. So this is the interface. Thank you. Stay safe. Thank you everybody.